Gurmila Mahagan. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you here today to our Seashore event, which forms part of National Heritage Week. In Galway County Council, we want to promote our beaches and create awareness of biodiversity on our seashores. We're very fortunate in Galway to have so much natural heritage, including our wonderful beach in Indreabhán. In Galway County Council, we want to promote our beaches and create awareness of biodiversity on our seashores, the importance of keeping our beaches clean and tidy, and the invaluable nature that can be discovered on the beach. I hope that you come away from this event with a lot more knowledge about our beaches.